Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Stormy skies, a lot of these thunderstorms producing abundant lightning, and one of those strikes likely causing the big cliff fire, and the Siskiyou County Sheriff's Office issuing an evacuation warning for that new fire in Siskiyou County for zone SIS 2503. You can get more details on that on KDRV.com. Let's take a look at the red flag warning that we have. We are tracking numerous new fire starts from the thunderstorms today, and this does continue until 8 o'clock tonight along and east of the Cascades and into Northern California, where thunderstorms and lightning have been most numerous. Taking a look at the radar, you can see clusters of these storms impacting southern Oregon and Northern California. We've had a few storms even popping up west of the Cascades in Jackson and Josephine County. Pretty stormy north of Medford in the Eagle Point area, also around Sam's Valley. Another thunderstorm starting to die out over the Galice area. Also pretty stormy just north of Lake of the Woods. A lot of lightning being produced by those storms. These storms also capable of some hail and gusty winds. Nothing severe right now, but we're going to keep an eye on things as we head through the next few hours. Quite a bit of thunderstorm activity near Gazelle and Weed and south of Mount Shasta in the Dunsmuir area. Not as active on the east side, but there are still some clusters of storms in Lakeview. We will gradually see these storms and showers die out as we go through the evening and overnight hours. Clouds decreasing down to 63 tonight in Medford, 50 in Klamath Falls. Tomorrow it's going to be another stormy day for the region. Not along the coast, should stay quiet, mostly sunny, up to 68 for you folks in Brookings, but we'll be tracking storms developing into the afternoon, highs in the 80s and 90s inland. Thunderstorm chances mainly going to be along and east of the Cascades and into Northern California, but there will be the chance for even some storms into parts of Jackson and Josephine County, especially in the Rogue Valley. There is going to be a chance at least for some storms again tomorrow. Storms will be capable of abundant lightning as well as the potential for fire starts, and we could also see some hail and gusty winds. So if you're heading to the Klamath County Fair tomorrow, expect a good chance for some storms tomorrow afternoon. Best day to go to the fair will be Saturday, just a straight thunderstorm potential, but thunderstorm chances look to uptick a bit on Sunday. Josephine County Fair, slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon into the early evening hours, but the weekend is looking pretty quiet overall. Notice a bit cooler temperatures on Sunday. Here's a look at Stormcast as we head into tomorrow. Quiet in the morning, and then as we head into the afternoon, those thunderstorms blossoming in southern Oregon and Northern California. Some drier weather expected next week. Your 7-day forecast for the coast: bright skies the next couple of days, more breezy winds. Northern California, good chance for some more storms tomorrow, not as active on Saturday. For the basin, we'll see a little bit of a break, just isolated storms Saturday, but storms look to uptick a bit on Sunday. The threat for thunderstorms continuing through the weekend up in the mountains. Quieter weather expected next week. And then in the Rogue Valley, we'll have the chance for some storms tomorrow, but fairly quiet next week with temperatures heating up through the middle of next week.